The desktop organizer is one of your favorite freebies we have ever had at leahremelay.com. This last year, though, I took our original desktop organizer and I turned it into a vision board for myself. I just thought, how great to have one more place where I can visualize and be thinking about these big dreams that I have. And I have enjoyed it so much this last year that I've decided to create it for you as well. So download the link so that you can get it into Canva and let me show you how to customize it and make it your own. Okay, so first of all, here's the desktop organizer. Now you can adjust everything. You can absolutely, turn these into your colors, whatever that might be. Mine just happened to be very bright and happy. Okay, so I'm going to move this all the way out of the way. Just bring it so that you just have, just a corner of it that you can reach. It's all grouped together so you won't lose it all. Now we have all these images to pop in. So go do some dreaming. Go grab some images from the web that are for you and to inspire you. There's also some great images and photos too. And then grab a bunch of them, put them on your desktop, load them into Canva, and start moving them around. So I'm going to go ahead and pop in this one. And I just think this is so beautiful for a backyard. It is a dream of mine to go to Club 33. If you happen to have a way to get me in and you want to be like a dream maker, I'm totally happy to accept that awesomeness. Okay, we have been looking and are trying to find a place in Park City, one of our favorite places to be. So I'm popping that in there. And then, let's see, we've always wanted to get one of these Land Rovers. So I'm popping that in there. Okay, and then cabin we want to get. Now we can also check photos. And one of the things that we really want to do this year is take the kids to Greece. I had Paris on there, but it happened. So now it's time to think of something else amazing, which we want to take the kids to Greece this year. So I'm going to put some gorgeous pictures of Greece on there. What else could we put? I have it now, but for a long time I'd had Tesla on my vision board. And it's actually a Rivian now, which I have it on order if it ever arrives. But let's see. Oh, this one's really fun. Okay, so there's a great Tesla picture. Now we just need one more. Let's see. I'm going to put Italy. And this looks beautiful to me. Okay, and I'm going to just move that around. Actually, we'll do that looks like the Amalfi Coast, doesn't it? Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm even more obsessed. Okay, there we go. My vision board is set. Now I'm going to take this, pull it back down, just drop it center. That'll do. Oh, that'll do. Okay, and then I'm going to just make that white because I have some darker colors there. And I'm going to hit ungroup because it looks like it's being a little funny. So I'll just bring that like that. Okay, there you go. Your desktop vision board. So now you're just going to go ahead and download it, and then from download, you're going to set it as your desktop picture, and you will have something similar to this. I hope you enjoy it. I can't wait to hear what you think of it as you start using it. And of course, you have each of these cubes. You can change them to whatever you want them to be. You can see have my web apps, my personal stuff, daily sticky. Let me actually show you that. So here's the stickies, and then here's the things that I need to get done. Inspired projects, things that need to move over to hard drives, everything else, and then my hard drives. So there you go. That is my vision board desktop organizer. Enjoy.